Hello, this is Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials. Today we are going to be making a simple bug spray that is safe for your family, is non-toxic, but it is still effective, which is the most important thing in this season when there are those little flying creatures all over, or the creepy crawly ones, and I don't like any of them. So we are going to start with pure tested grade essential oils. I'm very particular about the essential oils I use. They don't contain anything artificial. They don't contain any contaminants, any pesticides, anything like that. So we are going to take it's just a little glass spray bottle. You can buy them off Amazon. You can get them at like glass bottle outlet, Aroma Tools. There's a million different places you can get them. You can just Google search glass spray bottles, and this is a 2-ounce size, I believe. I've got lemongrass. Lemongrass is a wonderful oil. It smells very fresh and clean, and yeah. So we're going to put 10 drops of this in. 7, 8, 9, 10. You get an extra one, it's not rocket science. It will not hurt. Essential oils are the aromatic compounds from the plants. It is nature's own medicine. Most of them are steam distilled. There's a few that are cold pressed. I think today's are all steam distilled, but to get the goodness out of them. We're going to add 10 drops of geranium. This oil is great to keep little ticks away, and that's a bug that 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 that puts fear into many people because ticks can be carriers of some diseases that can make your life very unpleasant. So we'd rather not have to deal with them. Peppermint is great. Ants don't like it. Spiders don't like it. I use this on my trees I spray it on my trees to kill any bugs on them. Kind of lost track on the count there. So we're doing 10 drops of each of these, and then 10 drops of lavender. Lavender is very soothing to the skin, and it also will help keep some bugs away. I'm going to top it off with fractionated coconut oil. This helps spread the oils around and mixes with them. It helps to keep it on your skin a little bit longer. Essential oils are very volatile. So you put them on your skin, the heat from your skin will make it 90% of it flash off right away, which is great. You can smell it, but you want it to stay on your skin a little bit longer to keep the bugs away. So fractionated coconut oil helps to spread it around, keep it on your skin longer. It is not really greasy. They take regular coconut oil, take the solids out, take the smellies out, and it has no fragrance. So if you put a little on your hand, it dissolves right in. It is not greasy. It's very nice. So then you can fill this up as much as you like. I buy mine from doTERRA because it is the most consistent at not having a smell. I tried some of the Amazon brands. I know there are some good ones out there because many people do use them. But the ones I got still smell like coconuts. And I want to smell my oils, not the coconut. When you buy these bottles, they come with generic sprayers. So just measure out about to the bottom and cut it at an angle. Put your spray top on. You can make fancy labels for your bottle, or you can just put a piece of tape on it, say what's in there. I like putting what the ingredients are for the recipe I used, because there's a lot of different recipes, and then you can just spritz it on, rub it in, and you are set to go outside and enjoy nature. Enjoy this. If you liked it, click like below. hit subscribe. We're going to be making lots of videos here talking about simple DIYs with essential oils that are healthy for your family to use. Thanks for joining me.